Hey subbies! Before we get started on today's video, I would love it if you would follow me on my social media. I will have it linked here on the screen, my Instagram and my Twitter. My Instagram is Comedy Creation and my Twitter is Comedy Addict. And I would really love it if you guys would hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload. Let's get into the video. Hey subbies! Today we're going to be sharing one of my favorite childhood memories. This here is going to be the favorite childhood toys. Before I get into this video, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload so you don't miss any videos of these awesome content, because I love sharing awesome videos with you guys. Let's jump into the video. My first favorite toy has definitely got to be the robotic puppy named Techno. He is the cutest robotic puppy there that I've ever seen. Well, he's the only robotic puppy I've ever seen, but still, he was adorable because you could get him to perform different tricks. There's like, he could be an alarm clock to actually wake you up in the morning, so if you don't have an alarm clock, you can use your, robotic puppy there to wake you up in the morning, just like a real dog. I also really loved there he would do a card trick there. You would pick a card on his placemat there, and he would then guess what card it is there that you're pointing at. He could also speak there. If you would press a sequence of buttons on him, you could get him to say thanks and techno. It was awesome. And they also made different versions of that. Polly the robotic parrot, Kitty the robotic cat. It was fun. It was adorable. You could have your own little pet kingdom there right in your own home. Who doesn't want that? My next favorite childhood toy definitely had to be the Wuvlovs. That's Wuvlovs. They are the most interesting toy I've ever seen, simply because it is almost like a purple marshmallow type of character with eyes and antennas on their heads, where you would then have the mother, you would take care of the mother by petting her back, feeding her flour there that she came with to get her to have her baby there. The baby there comes inside of the mother's pouch there, and it is so cute because then you get rewarded with any number of babies between 1 and 2, and once you have the babies hatch, they can also then interact with the mother there, which was just adorable there. They could even sing songs together, which was cute. But the one thing that was always interesting with that toy is there was no off switch. You had to take the batteries out to get the toy to turn off. And to turn the toy on, you had to just simply hit the reset button once you had the batteries in. Because it was the quirkiest toy on the planet, because why have an on-off switch? That's not needed. I also really liked there when they would have the Bop It toy, because that was a lot of fun there, because it definitely helped your hand-eye coordination as well as just being something fun there to be able to compete with your friends, and also to improve your own time there with reacting to the different things there that the toy was telling you to do, whether it was to bop it, to spin it, to flick it, to hit it. It was just, it always kept you guessing, and then helping you also to improve your reaction time when interacting with the toy there, which was always fun there to be able to compete with your friends. I love doing that. My next favorite toy definitely has to be the play food kitchens, where you would have a kitchen there that was about 3.5, 4 feet tall, and it would come with thousands of play food options there, and different utensils and different pieces of cookware there that then you could be preparing food there on this play kitchen, and it would even, some of them would take batteries there to where you could then even click on the sink there and have the sound of running water to make it seem like you're actually also then doing the dishes. Wonderful toy to also help children there learn how to take care of the kitchen, learning how to wash their hands and how to prepare food there, which who doesn't love a nice educational toy every now and then? My last favorite childhood toy that I'm going to mention definitely has to be Play-Doh, because it was a lot of fun, because when you would get the cans of Play-Doh, they also had different plastic toys there that go with it there. You could have a McDonald's kitchen where you could then use this toy there to create French fries and hamburgers and even McFlurries there, just from putting the Play-Doh inside the different molds there to create these items. It was so much fun there to be able to make Play-Doh even more fun than you could even imagine, and I started to combine two toys. I took the little stencils there that would come with the Play-Doh and would put it in the machine there, so then it would create long strands there, and I would pretend that was spaghetti and then put it in my Play Kitchen fry pan to then make it seem like I was cooking spaghetti, which the fun with that there was never ending, because then I even took little pieces of red Play-Doh and then made meatballs too with it, which was a lot of fun. And then I even took some white Play-Doh there and put it in the same stencil there to create the long strands, but then I would chop them up with a plastic tool there to then create what looked like Parmesan cheese. That was so much fun. I really enjoyed that. It was always incredible, and I loved their having my imagination just run wild. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Comment down below what your favorite childhood toy is. I would love to know. Make sure you also click the subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I would also love it if you would follow me on my social media. My social media will be linked down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Until next time, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, subbies.